is leading us to a dangerous conclusion, one which we must not make in the interest of coordination of the branches of government. I am disappointed, and we are prepared here at the House of Representatives to make any sacrifice. If the Commissioner General comes and says revenue are not performing, we will be the first to say, okay, we understand. But for him to come here today and say he's overperforming, and the Senate is well taken care of, and the House of Representatives has almost only 2 months worth of benefit, and cannot even get money for retreat. We gotta go back and NGOs, stationaries. Mr. Minister, I'm holding the reason why I held the appearance of the Minister of Finance in the Bears on contempt issue is because I want to hear your information. I will tell you this: if we cannot come to a resolution pretty soon, we will shut this House of Representatives down. Motion for executive.